All right, let's talk about how we can take Excel files and open them up in Google Sheets. Excel and Google Sheets play very nicely together. You can easily convert Excel files into a Sheets format or just open them through Sheets while leaving them in an Excel format. We can also convert from Sheets to Excel. So that's a two-way thing that works very nicely. Right now, we'll just take a look at viewing an Excel in Google Sheets and then converting it into an actual Google Sheets file format. Okay. So the first thing that we can do, being that Google Drive is the storage location for Sheets, is you can take your Excel worksheets or workbooks, I should say, and upload them into Google Drive. Now, I'll show you a way to do this from inside the Sheets itself. But right from here, I have a folder here, and I got a bunch of Excel files in here. This is not one, but these other ones are. Notice the file format, the file extension .xlsx.xls over here. So let's grab one of these guys right here. How about quarter 1 sales? I'm going to go ahead and double click on that. And notice the file extension .xlsx. I'm still in an Excel format. I'm going to go ahead and open this in Google or with Google Sheets. Open, open, open. It opens up. Now it gives me this nice little thing here to let me know I'm currently still in an Excel format. All right. So what if for whatever reason I want to get out of that Excel format and I want to save it purely as a Google Sheets format? I'm going to go to File, and I'm going to say Save as Google Sheets. And what it's going to do now is save a copy of it in the same location as the original in the Google Sheets format. Notice that there is no .xls happening up here any longer. I am now in a Google Sheets format purely. All right, so let's go back over to Drive and let's take a look and see if we can see that file in there. And sure enough, here we have quarter 1 sales.xlsx, which is what we opened up before. And here we just see quarter 1 sales. Notice the icon is different. This is in the Google Sheets format as opposed to the XLSX Excel format. Okay, so we can upload to Google Drive and we can open it up, do our conversion there. I also have the ability, let's go back into Sheets itself. And let's just go ahead and get into a blank environment. I'm going to go to File, and I'm going to go to Import. All right, so File, Import. And right from here, I could import from my drive if I already have stuff in there. But let's say I had not uploaded to Google Drive yet. Maybe I didn't realize that that's what I needed to do. I can upload right from in this interface. I'm going to go to Upload. I'm going to go ahead and select a file. Let's go ahead and grab this file right here. Going to upload it. I can choose to replace this current spreadsheet that I'm in, insert it as a new sheet, or create a new spreadsheet inside here. I'm going to say import data. All right, so it's going to replace what I had there, and there we go. Now it just imports the information, it doesn't import the name, so I'm going to change the name of this to be imported sales. All right, and now that is going to be stored inside of my Google Drive. All right. So very good, very easy. I don't think it's going to be in the same folder here. Most likely it'll be in the root drive. Very easy to take an Excel file and convert it or view it in Google Sheets.